This is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Cancer. Okay, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Cancer. So this reading is for general reading for the love and the career. Okay, and at the end of the reading I will pull some extra messages from the unicorns decks. Okay, from the oracle cards. So at the end we will pull that cards. Okay. So what are the messages for the Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign of Cancer for the love and career? Okay, please guys, please spirits guys, please God, angels, let us know what are the messages for the Cancer. Please check out your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising sign if the any one of the message is not resonating with you. Okay, so the first card is the Four of Wands, then Knight of Wands, okay, the Tower. Please give us the messages. Please clarify the Tower. Why the Tower is here? Why the Tower is here? Why the Tower is here? Okay. Okay. At the bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Okay. Then we will start with your reading now. So the Four of Wands, Ace of Knight of Wands. Okay. Three of Wands. There are sudden changes occur in your love life or in the career life. Okay, which you was not expecting. Okay, from the it is regarding your job, it is regarding your career. Okay, regarding your relation, because you was not expecting such things. Means these things has been happened. The Tower is the major arcana. Okay, and the Emperor is also the major arcana. So the major arcana is, it is a divine intervention what is meant to be happen for you. Okay, so Tower is like the foundations which are not good for you, for it is not the stable foundation is not good, that's why the Tower is there. Okay, and it is not meant to be happen. Whatever you was in the wrong path, or you was not destined for that connection, or not destined for that work situation. Okay, and that's why the divine intervention is took place and the Tower is here. Whatever the relationship you was where in the relationship, the base of the relationship and the stability of the relation, the foundation was not that much strong. Okay, that's why the Tower is here. Okay, because as it is, all the things will fall into the fall on the ground, and then again you can build up together with the other in other format, in other with other design, with other creativity. Okay, and this is not the, for some of you, even though it is a destined connection, destined things, still the way what it has been happened, the divine timing is not there. Okay, that's why the Tower is here for some. And the clarifier is the Six of Wands. Okay, after that Tower, you so many things will be changing into your life. Okay, you will, that changes will be bring you like a transformation. Okay, transformation is going through, and you will travel to the water, you will travel to the location in where you will feel relaxed, you will feel calm. Okay, the traveling might be involved with the water, with the family, along with your family. Okay, and that person you are dealing with, it might be air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, or you might be in that energy. Okay, and whatever the things has been happened, but you are very great, because as I am able to see here, the Three of Wands. Okay, you will be found the balance in yourself. Okay, you will be strong, you will be on your ground, on your foundations. Okay, and you will be turn your back the things which are not serving you, you will be turn your back the things which are not good for you, that job, the career, the relationship, the situationship, the toxic peoples. Okay, you will turn your back to that things, and you will be hold one wand, and you will be trying to move away from the situation, trying to change your location and go to the another country, another city, and then you will find some peace. Okay, then the emperor. Some of you, the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person may be significant for you regarding this transformation. That person will show you the direction of the how you can tackle this problem, and this person might be your friend, colleague, or boss. Okay, or your parent, like a father or the grandfather. Okay, they will help you out through all this situationship. Okay, and see, the bottom of the deck is the queen of swords. So you just want to be cut out the cords which are not serving you. You has been seeking the truth. As the tower has been happened over here, you come to know the what is the right thing, wrong thing, what is the truth behind the, and what is the false statement, commitments has been given by that person and by the your colleague or boss. Okay, and you are ready to cut the cords, whatever the toxic cords, you are ready to cut that cords. Okay, and as soon as you will cut that cords with the wrong people, wrong situationships. Okay, someone new is coming towards you. Okay, which will bring you the lot of stability in your life. Okay, stability in the sense, it is the four of wands is a marriage card, but sometime it again the some of you are not ready for the marriage, or they don't seeking for the commitment and the marriage. So it is for the in the career aspect, it is the stable foundation for your job, for your connect for your career. Okay, it is the your institute, it is your company, and which will be very stable. It will provide you the stability. Okay, then the two of cups, for those who are seeking for the love, then the love proposals is going to come. That person might be the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius strongly, and you will find your soulmate. Okay, you will find your soulmate, you will find your twin flame over here, and I am seeing the lot of synchronicities over here. Okay, see the three means progression, sorry, progression is over here. Three of wands, then four of wands, two of cups. Okay, then king of knight of wands, queen of swords. Okay, so single digits are there, then even the mirror image are also there. Okay, 4 6. Okay, again the 4. So it is the twin flame soulmate journey. You are in twin flame soulmate journey. You are might be seeing the lot of repetitive numbers, digits. Okay, so you can google that numbers so that you will get the proper guidance what universe want to let you know regarding. Okay, whatever the career path you are going to, whatever the tower has been happen, it is a sudden change. Tower is, people are reading the tower as a negative card, but don't see it is a negative, because it is meant to be happen. Some things has to be ended in the proper way. That's why you will start some new and good things in your life. Okay, then only you can begin with the new things in your life. Okay, it is meant to be happen, so take it positively. Okay, and don't worry about it, because all is looking very great. Okay, so it is not means you, it is not needed to worry about this situation. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards for you. Okay, from the unicorns decks. Okay, what are the angel messages for you for the Cancer? Okay, for the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, what are the guidance from the unicorns decks? Please unicorns, guide the Cancer, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Cancer. Okay, listening, Queen of Unicorns and Archangel Michael, intuitions. Okay, so and the bottom of the deck is the blessings. Okay, so the blessings card, say the blessings. So the blessing is number 3. Count your blessings, and the good in your life will multiply as you show the gratitude to the universe, as you thankful to the God, to the universe, surrounding peoples, whatever they are bringing happiness into your life, then your blessings, then your good things will be multiply. Okay, and you will find more and more happiness coming into your life. Okay, then the card is the intuitions. Listen to your inner wisdom, because your intuitions are guiding you. You are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very intuitive persons. Okay, you are water sign, so you are already very intuitive, and your intuitions are going to guide you on the right path. Okay, so follow your intuitions. Then the Archangel Michael, use the sword of truth to help the world. Okay, again the queen of swords, and this the sword of Archangel Michael. So whatever the tower has been happened, but you just have to be at the side of truth, whatever the truth will be, even though it is very hard to accept, and very hard to let the people know, very hard to share with it the world, but still universe is letting you know, angels are guiding you, you should be with the truth. Okay, use the sword of truth to the help the world, because you are not aware, the people around you, the world around us is going to be helped by your truth. Okay, indirectly, directly, indirectly. Okay, so use the sword of truth. Then the Queen of Unicorns, you are blessed with the love, compassion and wisdom. I told you, see, the Two of Cups is here, Four of Wands is here. Okay, for those are looking for the marriage, then marriage proposals are going to come into your way, and they are very sudden. You was not expecting that things has been happened to you. Okay, and yeah, you was just running out of the things. You are hopeful for the best, you was focusing on yourself, and that's why this tower has been come occur in your life, and this person is going to come into your life. Okay, and it will be the marriage on your chart. The Emperor is again the it is the king of all the kings, so your family will be agree on this connection, and they will take the actions. Okay, as the energy of the cards I am telling you. Okay, then the listening, listen and the answers will be revealed. Whatever the question, because of this tower, it will be revealed to you only when you will listen your intuitions. Okay, so you have to be in tune with your intuitions. Okay, so you just have to be truthful and intuitive. Okay, and you have to clear the air. Okay, clear the air. As soon as you will clear the air, then only you can listen the answers. Okay, you can listen the answers you are seeking, because as you will stuck to the past, as will be you stuck to the negative thinking patterns. Okay, the bad people has been means people has been cheated you, lied with you, and you was very confused regarding the relationships. But you have to be clear, the cut that negativity, cut that negative thoughts into your mind. Okay, and then only you can listen your intuitions. Okay, then only you can listen your intuition, then only you can focus on your intuition. And angels are telling you that you are blessed with the love, compassion and wisdom, so you don't have to, it is not needed to worry. Okay, so this was your reading for the Cancer for the October 2020. Please let me know in the comment section how it is resonating with you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.